We're going to start learning about the advanced networking features of our Siemens Scalance Ethernet switch on our PLC trainer. And the first thing we're going to need to do is log in and change our password. Now, if you are opening yours new out of the box, like you didn't purchase our PLC trainer, then its default username is going to be admin, and its default password is also going to be admin. But the first time you log in, before you can do anything, Siemens does make you change that password, which means for us to set it up for you on our PLC trainer, we had to also change that password. And also about the IP address, if you're using our PLC trainer, then we have already assigned the IP address of 192.168.116. And if you're opening yours new out of the box, then it will not have an IP address configured. So you can either use ProNeta if you purchased it with Profinet enabled, or you can use Rockwell Automation's BootP server DHCP tool if you bought it with Ethernet IP enabled, or you can use the PLC tool SIM IPE and do it either way. And we do have videos on that. But after that, we're going to go to our web browser and we're going to type 192.168.1.16. That is the standard IP address for the Ethernet switch on the PLC trainer if you purchase it from us. Now, just for me, my video PLC trainer is 192.168.20.198. But don't enter this number. It's not going to get you anywhere. And then you're going to get to this page that's warning you that your connection isn't private and that you don't have a security certificate. Siemens does use encryption when they're doing all their communications, but since we're not actually on the internet, then it doesn't have the certificate. So we're just going to click the advanced button, and then we're going to continue to the IP address. Then your username is going to be admin, and your password, if you're purchasing our PLC trainer, is going to be explanation1, capital P, ASSWORD. Let me go ahead and hit those eyeglasses. That way you can see that. So explanation1, password. And then we're going to go to security and passwords. And right away, I want you to go ahead and change your password. So the password was explanation1, capital P, ASSWORD. Hit the eyeglasses again. And then go ahead and change it down here and hit the set values button. Next, let's talk about how we can switch between this being a Profinet enabled Ethernet switch and an Ethernet IP enabled Ethernet switch. That's one thing I really loved about this. The part number only changes the way it's configured out of the box. So click here to learn about that.